It's not a coincidence that the Ebola outbreak is hitting Liberia so hard. It spends among the least per capita on healthcare than any other country in the world, around $35 per person. That is almost half of what the World Health Organization says should be the absolute minimum a country spends on healthcare. And the result is really crumbling healthcare infrastructure. Before Ebola, there were 51 doctors for 4 million Liberians. So it doesn't take long to see that when you throw Ebola into that mix, it's a total disaster. We watched a sad scene today. A woman collapsed by the side of the road, shaking, obviously very ill. People were afraid to help her, but one man did. Others called an ambulance, which came, but then left. So the ambulance couldn't fit her in?
Yes.
But they know she's here. They're coming back for her?
Yeah, they know she's sick. The nurse said she's coming back for her.
The thing is, the ambulance was full of Ebola patients. We went looking for the closest hospital and happened upon the very volunteer ambulance worker who'd left that woman behind on the street. The worker's name is Lorene, and she said she had no choice, didn't think the woman had Ebola, and didn't want to risk her getting infected further by the 3 other patients she was carrying. It's a tough call and tough job. Lorene says she's honored to be here, though, and her kids are proud.
Yeah, happy that I'm saving other lives. Today is another person, tomorrow it could be me.
To give you a sense of what Liberians are up against, there was no fresh water for the new patients at the hospital. Someone had to run to a store. There's infected medical waste everywhere, and even when the staff tried to treat these patients, they didn't seem to have the equipment to protect their own faces. They're just running out of everything. So they're going to need a lot more help, not just to deal with Ebola, but to deal with everything that is wrong about this country right now. And as for that woman by the road, we went back to check on her. By then, someone had mercifully moved her, but to where? In Liberia now, there aren't many good options. Adrienne, Arsenault, CBC News, Monrovia.